Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Michelle. I actually do a lot of makeup and beauty reviews, makeup and beauty haul, makeup and beauty tutorial, makeup and beauty tips, and much more. And so if you guys wanted to learn and save some money, so make sure that you consider in subscribing to my channel, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Guys looking for a affordable palette that you can actually contour, that you can actually bronze, and you can actually highlight. And if you wanted to find out about this product here guys, in that way you'll be able to save some money, please keep on watching. So excited to be sharing with you guys what I actually found from Tk Maxx. You know how I love shopping at Tk Maxx guys. If you guys haven't actually checked out Tk Maxx, you need to go and check it out guys, because you don't know what you guys are missing out. Product here from Ulta3 Face the Day Bake Highlight and Contour Palette guys. I'll be sharing with you guys my first impressions on this product guys. And this is I've only purchased this for $7.99 Australian dollars guys. It's a very affordable guys. Ulta3 is a Australian beauty brand, and I'm just looking at the website guys, and so they actually inspired by color, fun and fashion. They bring quality cosmetics to the market at a super affordable price so that you can complete your makeup look for less. This is a cruelty free. I will put the website down the description box below guys, so you can guys check it out. And they actually do ship internationally, so just check it there too guys, to see if they can ship it to your country. At the moment there's currently a restrictions due to the COVID-19. Sale for $11.95 Australian dollars. I'm actually reading at the descriptions on the website. So containing everything you need to brighten up and bronze like a pro. This travel-friendly palette features 8 bake and highlight pigmented face powders in universal flattering bronzer, contour and highlighting shades. The Face of the Day palette includes 2 matte highlighters, 3 shimmer highlighters, 2 matte contour and 1 shimmer bronzer shades. So this is a vegan formula and cruelty free. We're just gonna quickly swatch them one by one guys. Do the bronzing first guys. Okay, I'm probably gonna start with this lighter shade here. Stitch this shade here guys. Okay, I'm using the Models Prefer angle brush. It actually doesn't have any scent. Okay, it's actually easy to blend. As you can see guys. Okay, I'm gonna try on the other side. See if I can go deeper on my cheekbones. Okay, I'm gonna go and try this contour shade here guys. Okay, it's got a little bit of grayish undertone. Okay, it's actually not powdery guys, so which is good. I actually don't see any fallout. I should just started with the contour first, then the bronzer. That's okay. I can actually blend this up a bit. This is a lighter shade. I'm gonna contour my nose, and I'm using another Model's Prefer brush. Actually, I've got this for free, guys, from Priceline. It was a birthday gift. I think there was like 4 different brushes. See if I can apply using that same brush. Apply some darker shade just on above my crease. See if it actually helps to define more of my eyes. I'm gonna try and use as much shades as I can with this, guys. Right, so we're gonna go into the highlighters now. One first is like more like a pink shade, a bit of fallout, guys. Oh, that's so pigmented, guys. Just one dip. Gosh, so pigmented. Then it's just whatever's left over. My gosh, if you guys haven't actually tried this, you need to get one, guys. Seriously, you need to get one. They're very affordable, guys. Okay, see if you can apply on my lid. So I'm gonna go and try this shade here, guys. My lid. Oh my gosh, that is so pigmented. See, guys, very, very pigmented. Shade here, guys. I'm gonna put that over. Oh, very, very pretty. See how pigmented they are, guys. Very, very pigmented. That is two lighter shades here, guys, but they're definitely pigmented as well. So if I swatch them on my finger, but it's just when I swatch them on my hand, but because of the lighting, it's not giving me that enough pigment. But the rest of those shades on this palette, guys, they're actually very, very pigmented, guys. I mean, what else can you ask, guys? It's a very, very affordable face palette. I'm so very, very speechless with this palette here, guys. Guys, it's so pigmented. They're actually very easy to apply. That you know, in my personal opinion, you can even use this on your eyes. I mean, this a multi-use palette. Really, it's not just for the face. You can actually use it for your eyes, especially if you want more like a natural look or a bronzy look, eye and face makeup look. You can actually you know, you can actually use this palette, guys. So yeah, so if you guys haven't tried this palette, guys, I highly recommend it for you guys to check it out. Pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys, and please comment down below, guys, if you used this palette before, and also let me know what video you want to watch next. Thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please make sure that you click that subscribe button, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.